I belong to UP at Kanpur. I have completed my 10th with 87% marks and 12th with 88% marks from UP Board. Recently, I have completed my graduation from CGL University, Kanpur Nagar. My hobbies are playing cricket, watching movies, and reading newspaper. My strength point is that I am self-motivated and laborious boy. I want to join Indian Air Force as an airman because it gives us equality to the all sector boys and adventurous life also. Now I would like to come to my topic. Today's topic given to us is veg and not non-veg. As we know that the food is the basic need of everyone. Food is very necessary for the human's life. But in our society there are two kinds of food, veg and non-veg. It is humans' responsibility what they want. If they want veg food, they should take veg food, and if they want non-veg food, they should take non-veg food. We all should know what is the meaning of veg food. Veg food in veg food we can see that vegetables and many kinds of other green vegetables in the veg food, and in non-veg food the meat and eggs are in non-veg food. Some people say that we all should know we should not eat non-veg food because we all are human and we should not kill the creature. But some people think that if we did not kill the creature, after some time there will be overcrowded of the creature. As report says that our tongue is only made for vegetarian food. As we know that vegetarian food have also vitamins and nutrients on the comparison of non-vegetarian food. If we talk about the protein and we can take the example of soybean have.
Good afternoon, sir, and all of my friends. My name is Amir Sohel. I'm 17 years old. I born and brought up in my village Ghatampur, district Fatehpur, Uttar Pradesh. I completed my 10 plus 2 from Ghatampur, Kanpur Nagar. In current, I'm doing graduation with the Kanpur University. My parents teaches us is ideal manner. I'm positive and hard worker. I'm good learner and listener. My hobbies are reading historical, knowledgeable books, which give me new knowledge. I like to play outdoor games like cricket and football. Friends, the topic given to us today for the discussion is a non-veg, veg and non-veg. In my opinion, food is a part and parcel of every creature. If we want to do any work, we should take some energy, and it's come only and only food. In the earth, there are two types of food, veg and non-veg. In my personal opinion, it is all depend upon the person what they want to eat. But my opinion that we should make the balance between these two types of food, and both the foods are give equal energy, and these foods give the vitamins and lots of benefit for our body, and our first responsibility that we should make balance between like these creature, and we should maintain balance. And if we are eating anything, it is good for our food, health, body.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Aryan. I am from ghatampur, Kanpur Nagar. My district Kanpur is famous for the Manchester of North India. I have completed my intermediate from UP Board, Prayagraj. My hobbies are playing outdoor games and listening music. I am physically fit and mentally sound. I easily adjust with all kind of environment. I am cheerful and cooperative by the nature. Indian Air Force is the most respected job in our society, and it's no reservation and no discrimination based on color, caste, religion, and selection purely on merit basis. I want to join Indian Air Force because I want to touch the sky with glory. We gather here for the group discussion. So I come to the topic. The topic is veg versus non-veg. In my opinion, food is the base of life, and without food we cannot do any work. And we all know that we all know that two types of food: veg food and non-veg food. Veg food provides a lot of proteins, a lot of vitamins, and many other things. And non-veg foods provides us proteins and many other things. But
Good afternoon to all of you. I am Shadab Ahmed from Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh. My father, Mr. Vidyasan, is a farmer. My mother is a housewife. If I talk about my qualification, I have completed 10 plus 2 from UP board with 85% marks and now pursuing graduation. My hobbies are playing cricket and watching movies. In spare time, I read motivational books as Wings of Fire and Vikas Kavit. My ambition to join Indian Air Force as an air warrior because it is my parents' dream. We are gathered here to discuss a topic. Topic is veg and non-veg. There are two types of people are living in our society. The people who eats vegetables, potato, tomato, dal, fruits are called vegetarian. And the person who eat meat, fishes and eggs are called non-vegetarian. As all we know, food is very necessary for a human's life. So if anyone want to live, he have to eat foods, and with the help of foods we can get proteins, vitamins and carbohydrate from the foods. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone. My name is DSSSB. I hail from Ghatampur, Kanpur. I have pursued my 12th from Murphy then Makbul Under College, Umri, Kanpur. Now I am pursuing a Bachelor of Science from Janta Mahavidyalaya. My father's name is Mr. Satish Sachan. My hobby is singing song, dancing and playing an outdoor game. I want to join the Indian Air Force. Air Force tell my life very earlier and equal to the all sector boys and adventurous life to me. Now I am going to speak about the veg and non-veg. I think we are sitting here just because of the food. Food is a very necessary for us and we are doing our life just because of food. As you know that in this time many other people who are the herbivorous, carnivorous and also the omnivorous, and we have to be a respect to them because if we go in the past time we find that the people kill the animals and then eat that food. I think it is also good for us, but in this time we are seeing that we cannot also get that animals who are not for the killing, the people are killing and eat them. I think it is bad for us. And I think the veg and non-veg is only the food. We have to think about that which kind of animals, which kind of non-veg food it for us. And this time we are seeing that the government kill the cows. I think cows should be banned because cow is not for the eat. Cow is for the milk. I think this is bad for us. If I will think about the personal opinion of myself, I think that veg and non-veg is only the food we should eat and we should be grow our life and we should be take a part for the world, and we should not kill that animals which is not for the eat and it is for good.
Good afternoon everyone. My name is Yashit Katiyar. I hail from Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh. I did my 12th in 2017. Now I am pursuing graduation from Kanpur University. My hobbies are reading books and newspaper and playing cricket also. I want to join Indian Air Force as an airman, so I am present here for group discussion. Today's topic is veg and non-veg. As we know that our body requires many types of supplement as vitamins, proteins and nutrition. There are two schools of thoughts in this society regarding eating habits. Some people claim that non-veg food is best, some people say veg food is the best. But we know that the one who takes non-veg food, they are highly active at the physical and mental level. But we also, case studies shown us that people who takes non-veg food, there are highly chances that they get to access with diabetes types of disease. And on the other hand, we also shows that one good veg claims that the nature is for the every creature. We should not kill any creature of this world. So at last I want to say it's up to depend to person what a person needs to take in their life.
Gentlemen, as far as my introduction is concerned, my name is Balram Dubey. I hail from Kanpur. I was born and brought up in Kanpur, which is famous for leather industry. I tell about my education. In 2018, I have completed my 12th with 2 marks, and now I am pursuing for BSc and also preparing for Indian Air Force. I tell about my family background. My father is a farmer and my mother is a housewife. We are 4 siblings. My hobbies are playing cricket and singing poetry. The positive personality are that I am good learner, diligent and smart worker. To become the part of Indian Air Force has been the dream of my life since my childhood. To accomplish this dream as well as to support my family, I want to join Indian Air Force. And today my topic is veg and non-veg. As we know that the food is the basic need of every humans, and as we know that the food is the basic needs of every humans, and it doesn't matter what the people are eating, as they are eating veg. This is very good for them. If they are eating non-veg, it is also very beneficial for them. It is depend on the people. If they got the protein and energy from the vegetarians as potatoes and fruits, then they have to go for the vegetarians. And if they got the energy and all the vitamins from the non-veg, they have to go for the non-vegetarians. And some people are also telling that some people are also telling that the non-vegetarians are living lesser than comparison to the vegetarians' life.
Good afternoon, gentlemen. My name is Asgroup. I am from Kanpur, which is also called the Manchester of North India. As far as I concern my qualification, I pursued my intermediate from CGL inter college with 88% mark, and in high school I got 87% mark. Now I am pursuing my BSc third year from Kanpur University. My father name is Mr. Deep Kumar Tiwari. He is a profession in farming. My mother name is Mrs. Sakundala Tiwari. She is homemaker. If I talk about my hobby is playing cricket, and in my free time I like to listen music. I want to join an Indian Air Force because there is no reservation in this job, and by joining this we can maintain our self. We all gathered here for discussion the topic veg versus non-veg. We all know that food is the basic need of our life. There are two type of food in our life: veg and second one is non-veg. Some people believe that veg food is good, and some people believe that non-veg is good. It depend on our mentally what we choose. But whereas I think both are good, but I prefer veg food, and that's.
Good afternoon, all of you. My name is Amir Sohel and I am 19 years old. I was born in Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh, from where I have done my graduation. If I talk about my family, my father is an electrician and my mother is a tailor. My hobbies are playing outdoor games, especially cricket and badminton. In my free time, I usually make drawings and sketches. I want to join Indian Air Force because it's a job full of adventure, pride and satisfaction. And also I want to improve the financial condition of my family. So these are some reasons. That's why I want to join Air Force. Now I would like to come to my topic, that is on veg and non-veg. Food is the base of life, and food is very essential for all living beings. Life cannot be imagined without food. There are two types of food, veg and non-veg. Veg food are obtained from trees, herbs, and non-veg food are obtained from animals. Some people believe that if we eat non-veg food, we get more protein, more vitamins and more nutrition. But also if we are eating green vegetables and veg food, we can get sufficient amount of energy and protein, vitamins. And both food are good, and it depends on us that what we want to eat.
Good afternoon to all of you. My name is Amir Sohel. I am from Kanpur. I have completed my graduation this year from Kanpur University. My father is a farmer. My mother is a homemaker. I have in my free time I like to play cricket, and reading holy books is my hobby also. And I want to join Indian Air Force because at early age we get a chance to serve our nation, and we can improve the economical condition of our family also. Now I come to the topic. Topic is non-vegetarian and vegetarian. Non-veg and veg. We all know that healthy body has a healthy mind. So for a healthy body, there is a need is food. Food is the basic need of our every creature. There are two types of food: like veg and non-veg. Both are requires for the body, but we all know that India is the country where more vegetarian people live in the world. So vegetarian food is good. We can get every nutrition due to vegetarian food, and it is also a right for every creature to live in the nature. And so we should never kill the creature. But if we talk about the balancing with the human and nature, there is a need for the killing of the creature, and we thank you.